Siddheshwar Women's College of Engineering. So today I am going to explain you about what is 3D array. So first of all, see what is a 3D array. A 3D array is an array that stores data in 3 dimensions. It can be imagined as a multiple 2D array stacked together. It is like a box or cube of a data. A 3D array is a collection of tables. So now we see declaration of 3D array. So let's see. So what is declaration of 3D array? See. Declaration of 3D array. So declaration of 3D array is like int array so now we see 2 is a number of 2D array and 3 is a rows and 4 is a column. So total elements is 2 into 3 into 4 is equal to 224. So next we see accessing element. So see accessing element. What is accessing element? We see declaration. So now we see accessing element. Accessing element. So see how accessing element array I. Okay. So J, first of all, I is for selects the table. I is for select the table and next J is for select the row. Selects the rows. And next is K. So we see K is for selects the columns. So next we see initialization example. So how initialize it? So we see declaration, accessing and now we see initialization. So how initialize it? Like int array you can write like this. So you can initialize it like that. Each is represent one level of array. This is represent one level of array. Easy to explain layers. So now we see why we use array. So now we see why we use array. Why we use array. So to store complex data on an organized way, we use array to store complex data in an organized way. So now we see useful in students mark system, like example, useful in student mark system, images and graphics, etc. So now we see the syntax of 3D array. Now we see the syntax of 3D array. So what is syntax? So what is syntax for 3D array? We see syntax, data type, array slash name, like example x, m and n. So now we see one simple example, like simple program for 3D array. So let's see one simple example, simple program for 3D array. So let's see what is the program for 3D array. First of all, write our include std.o io.h. Next write hash include conio.h, and then write int main and start your program. Curly bracket open. So write first to int a as per our syntax, right? So next write int I, j and k, semicolon. So next write printf. So write in this enter array elements. Enter arrays element. So close this curly bracket. Close that semicolon. So next is for condition checking I is equal to 0 and lastly write I plus plus. So next curly bracket is open. There we check for once time condition check. Again we check the condition I is equal to 0, then I plus j plus for this is for our row. Okay. Again we open the curly bracket. Again check the condition. Now we check the condition for k. K is equal to 0 is 2 and write k plus plus, and this is for column. So again open the curly bracket, printf. So write this in double inverted comma %d. Always we write %d in double inverted commas. So give comma and write like a, I, j and k. So complete the statement from semicolon. So again close again write printf and give slash n for next line. If you give slash n in the program, so your program will, so one statement, so if you give the slash n, Sir, just imagine example you write something like this, but if you use slash n, this line in the next. So write, so close again and print again and write again printf and give slash n. So again close the curly bracket, write get ch and return 0. Return 0. Thank you. So this is our simple program for 3D array. Thank you so much. Thank you.